Hello A plus traders, this is the third module of the Pro Traders course, and this module is all about swing trading. One of my favorite modules for this course, swing trading. The swing trader is not my fault. Alright, so in this module we're going to learn how to swing trade and the advantages of swing trading, what you really need and the tools you need to be a good swing trader. But before we jump into the first lesson of this module, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, A Plus Trading Hub, and click the notification icon there so you don't miss any of the videos. Now, swing trading is a medium-term trading style where you can hold trades for more than one trading session, maybe days or weeks. Yeah, it depends. Sometimes I hold my trades for weeks, and at the end of the weeks I'll make good profits. Preferred time frame for swing trading, the 4-hour or the daily time frame, while you watch the 1-hour charts to fine-tune your entries and exits. So, but as a swing trader, your aim is to capture a chunk of a potential price move in the market. So you are not looking to capture the whole move, you just want to capture a particular price move, and then you move on to the next opportunity. So that is all about swing trading. Swing trading is not complicated, it's very simple and straight to the point, unlike day trading that you have to take trades up and down every day. No offense my day traders, please. I'm just happy because this model is about my trading style. Pardon me, okay? So let's look at the advantages of swing trading. Now, if you don't have so much time to spend on the screen, like spend so much time in doing analysis and monitoring your trades, you can be a swing trader. So that is one of the advantages of being a swing trader. You don't need to spend so much time in front of your screen. It is also suitable for those with full-time jobs. If you have other engagement, like maybe you have other businesses to take care of, or you're working somewhere, you can be a swing trader. So all you need to do is that maybe in the early hours of the morning, you spend like the first 2 hours or 3 hours to do an analysis, take some trades, then you look at it after a day or two, or maybe at the end of the day. So that is swing trading. It is less stressful compared to day trading. It is true, for God's sake. It's less stressful. It gives you a breathing space. You don't have to be thinking about your trades every day, unlike day trading. When you take a trade, you have to look at them, monitor them, and you'll be thinking about your trades. But as a swing trader, you can just take the trades and let price do its thing. Like, let price move up and down. It doesn't concern you as far as you're okay. So it's less stressful. You can rely exclusively on technical analysis, simplifying the whole trading process. As a swing trader, fundamental events don't really disturb you, don't really matter to you. Your focus are on the technical analysis, the technical structure of the market, and what price has been doing over the past time and in recent time. So you don't really bother about fundamental events in the market. Don't forget that fundamental and technical, these guys are like brothers and sisters. Before a fundamental event happens, it consults the technical structure of the market. So price most times tends to move in support of the technical structures. So as a swing trader, you can just focus on the technical analysis while you are just using your the fundamental events to back up your trading. That is all. You don't need to spend more time in the fundamental analysis. So on this image here is an example of swing trading. This is a ranging market here. Maybe this was a distribution phase of the market, or maybe the accumulation phase of the market, but it is a ranging market. You see, price was moving within two price level, just moving up and down. So as a swing trader, when you notice this kind of price movements, all you need to do is look out for entries. You just want to catch one swing. This is a swing here. This was another swing. So price made like 5 swings in this move here. So as a swing trader, you just capture a particular swing. So for example, you notice this movement, price made the first 3 points. This is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. So, and from this third point, you can now take a trade. You can now look for selling opportunities, and you just want to catch the move back to this support level here, and this is the resistance. You want to just catch a move back to this support here. So this swing trading gives you leverage to have a better risk to reward. Just imagine you are taking a trade from here, and your stop loss is like 50 pips away from the signal you got there, and this is your take profit here. It's up to 1:3 risk to reward. Is a good risk to reward. So when price reaches the resistance again, you sell again. So that is swing trading. You just want to capture a particular chunk of the market movement. So that is how you swing trade. It's simple. Before you wake up and say you want to be a swing trader, there are a few things you need to consider. First, you need to look at yourself and consider and know if you are patient. So as a swing trader, you need to be very patient. So you need to ask yourself, am I patient? If you are not patient, I'm very sorry to say this, you can't be a swing trader. Swing trading requires patience. Trading on its own requires patience, but swing trading requires more patience. That is the truth. You don't just wake up and say, I don't want to be a day trader again, I want to be a swing trader. You need to ask yourself these questions. Are you patient? If you know you can't wait for a day, at least minimum a day, for your trade to manifest, to reach your target, you can't be a swing trader. And also you need to ask yourself and search within yourself if you can accommodate big stop losses. As a swing trader, your stop losses will be very, very wide. You know, as a day trader, your stop loss will be small, but as a swing trader, you need to have a wide stop loss so that no matter the fundamental events, the swings in the swing highs and as market is swinging up and down, it does not affect your trade. So as a swing trader, you are bound to have big stop losses. So if you can't have a big stop loss, if you can't accommodate a big stop loss, if your personality can't accommodate a big stop loss too, forget about swing trading. Don't force yourself to swing trade. So you need to have a big stop loss, and for you to also have a big stop loss, you need to also have a good trading account balance. So you need to consider that too before you wake up and say you want to be a swing trader. Another thing is, are you happy taking few trades? To be very honest, as a swing trader, you don't need to take random trades. You won't be taking random trades. You won't be taking trades every day. Like me, if you notice in the Telegram group, I don't send out signals every day because I don't trade every day. Sometimes I take trades on Tuesday or Wednesday, and it will run till the following week. So I don't trade every day. So as a swing trader, you should know that you will not be able to be taking trades every day. You'll be trading and you'll be taking few trades. So if you know you can't take, you won't be okay taking few trades, forget about being a swing trader. You don't have to force yourself to be a swing trader. If you want to be taking more trades, then focus on being a day trader. So after asking yourself all these questions and your answer to it is yes, that means you are halfway through to being a swing trader. But don't forget, it's not just about being patient or having big stop losses or taking few trades. As a swing trader, you need to also be very, very disciplined. Let's say you see a trade setup and it does not meet up to your trading plan, you don't have to take it. So you need to be very, very disciplined. Anytime you see a trade setup and it's outside your trading plan, you need to forget about trading that particular currency pair or that particular trade setup. You look for another one. So you need to be very disciplined as a swing trader. In everything you do, you need to be very disciplined. That is the only way you can be a successful swing trader. This is how you swing trade. First of all, you need to identify the trend and evaluate the momentum. As a swing trader, it's best you trade with the trend. When you want to trade against the trend, you're going to lose good money. So you trade with the trend. When you identify the trend, don't try trading the pullback. It is dangerous. You may get caught up and you lose good money. To swing trade, you need to first identify the trend. When you identify the trend, you watch for price action signals and enter after a pullback or price correction. Like you can see on this image here, this was an uptrend. We have identified a trend here. This was an uptrend, and this particular red arrow here, this was the pullback. So you enter at the end of the pullback, which is this level here. This level here, this circle here, is where you watch out for price actions or price rejections or maybe bullish candlestick formations, and you enter from this level and place your stop loss here. Your take profit will be above the previous swing high, which is this level here. So this gives you a good risk to reward too. So you exit by taking partial profit or when the market structure have changed. So if you are still trading, identify the trend, enter on a pullback, trend resumes, and you exit when the market structure is being completed or the market structure has changed. So that is how you swing trade. It's very easy. There is a set examples on this, so don't worry. This may just be theory for you, but don't worry, there is a set examples where you can really see how I swing trade on a live chart. Most of the signals I give in the group are swing trades. It may take some time for it to reach its destination, the final take profit. And these are secrets of swing trading. If you want to be a successful swing trader, you need to make sure all these things are intact. First, you need to have a trading plan, and you have to stick to it. You have to be very disciplined. If you don't have a trading plan, that means you are not ready to start swing trading. So you need to sit down and develop your trading plan. Your trading plan should consist of your entries, your exits, market scenarios you need to see before you trade. Your trading goals too should be infused into your trading plan, and also your trading plan should include your trading sessions, like which sessions you want to be trading. So your trading plan should include your trading sessions and your trading time frame and everything. So you need to have a trading plan, and you need to stick to your trading plan as a swing trader. 2, you need to combat fear by reducing risks. So many people are very scared when they take a trade because they didn't use proper risk management. The risk on that particular position was very high. How can you be risking 5% of your account on just one trade? You'll be scared now, you'll be worried. So you need to reduce the risks on a particular trade. If you are using 1% of your trading capital on a particular trade, you won't have any problem now. That is why you won't panic. You go and relax. Because even if you should lose that particular trade, you won't lose up to 10% of your account. So you have to reduce your risks anytime you are taking a trade to combat fear. So that is the only way to combat fear. You reduce your risks and also think long term. Don't look at trading goals like I want to double my account within 2 weeks. Think long term. Think of how many pips you will make at the end of the month. Think of the amount of money you will make at the end of a quarter, like maybe 3 months or 2 months. To be a swing trader, you need to be very patient. You need to think big. You need to look at the big picture, not just the short-term goals. Because if you want to consider the short-term goals first, there is a possibility that you may break in your trading plan rules. So think long-term. Keep a trading journal. This is also extremely important. This is important too. So you need to have a trading journal. Record all your trades, and at the end of the week or at the end of the month, you sit down, look at the trades, look at the trade setups that went well and the one that didn't go well. From there, you learn from it. You check, okay, fine, why did this particular trade hit my stop loss? Was it that my stop loss was too tight? Was it that the trade setup was invalidated? The structure changed, the market structure changed? So you need to keep a trading journal, either manually or automated. For me, I'm a bit lazy when keeping trading journal, so mine is a bit automated. I link my trading account with my FX book app, so all the trades I take are being recorded on my FX book app. So at the end of the month, I go to the app, open it, and review all my trades. So if you are a bit lazy like me, no problem. Sign up to my Facebook, download the app and link your trading account to the app and be recording your trades there. But if you are disciplined and you know you won't be forgetting any of your trades or position, you can do it manually by writing it down on a notepad. And never stop learning. This is the number one thing in trading. Don't stop learning. Everything that happens in the market is a learning experience, is a learning process. The market is changing every day, every hour. So if possible, continue reading, continue studying, continue practicing. Never get fed up of it. That is the only way you get to learn every day. You need to learn. If you see courses on Forex trading, advanced courses, you buy the courses and continue learning. There is no way you can sign up or enroll for a training program and you don't learn at least one thing from that training program. So never stop learning. You see books on trading online, download them, buy them, read. You have to keep learning. That is the only way to be the best. That is the only way to be successful. That is the only way to keep making more profits on your trading. Now avoid trading against the overall trend of the market. I've said this earlier. Trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. Any trader that goes against the trend, you get crushed. The market does not care about your feelings or your personality. So if you go against the trend, the market will crush you. You blow your whole account up. So you also use a secondary technical tool to confirm your trade signal. So whenever you have a trade setup, you can also pick some secondary technical tools and validate your trade signal. Secondary tools like maybe the pivots, the moving average, the RSI, the MACD too. So you can use these secondary tools to just confirm your trade signal after a proper analysis. Then at the end of the day, you need to come out with a strategy for your swing trading. And you don't just adopt this strategy like that. You need to test run your strategy on a risk-free environment, let's say on a demo account for some months, let's say 6 months or a year, before you can adopt and say, okay, this is my strategy. And you fund a heavy amount of money on your live account and you start trading with the strategy. Like me, I have a simple swing trading strategy which is based on price action, and this is the strategy I share with my students on the Forex Masters course. I shared this strategy with them on the Forex Masters course. So if you want to know this my strategy and you want to see how it works and you want to use it too, if you are a swing trader or you are a day trader, you want to switch to being a swing trader and you want to adopt this my strategy, you need to enroll and sign up for the Forex Masters course. So the Forex Masters course is where you get exclusively my strategy which I use for trading, and you see how I enter the market, how I analyze the market, and the kind of setups I need to see before I trade. And you also get to have access to my personal trading plan. My trading plan is very simple. I don't think it's up to 2 pages. So the way you keep things simple, the better for you. So if you want to have access to this strategy and my personal trading plan, you need to enroll for the Forex Masters course. So in conclusion, swing trading is actually one of the best trading styles. It offers significant profit potential for traders. Swing traders receive sufficient feedback on their trades which keeps them motivated, and swing trading with the trend offers greater profit potential. So be a swing trader, be like me, and increase your winning rate and make more profits. Be relaxed when trading, have the right trade mindset and psychology, and you make more money from the market. That is the only way you can make good money from the market. Being relaxed, having the trading psychology. And talking about psychology, also in Forex Masters course, we discuss and I explain in-depthly on trading psychology, having the right mindset, how you can also figure out your trading personality too. These are all discussions and topics of the Forex Masters course. There are some quiz here for you which you need to attempt answering them. These questions will help you know the level which you are in learning how to make good money from the forex market. So attempt the questions. If you attempt the question and you can't answer all of them, that means you need to go through the course again, the Pro Traders course again, over and over again. You know, to be an excellent student, you don't need to read just once. You need to read over and over again, so you get a perfect understanding and you get familiar with the charts too. Don't just go through the tutorials, but also practice everything you learn on this tutorial. It is the best way and the only way to master your trading skills and also improve your trade psychology, your trading mindset, and make more money from the market. Don't forget that practice makes perfect. So this is where we end the Pro Traders course. Go through all the set examples videos and also go through the video on how to get a good trade setup. That particular tutorial will give you explanation and example how you can have a good trade setup and way to place your stop loss and your take profits and the risk management you need to use on any trade. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, A+ Trading Hub, and follow us on all social media, Facebook, Instagram or Twitter at A+ Trading Hub. If you want to discuss with me privately, directly, you can WhatsApp me with the phone number you see on the screen here. That is my phone number. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our video updates. Most importantly, practice what you learn from the course. Thank you.